Hi, I'm Ignacio Estellés, CEO and founder of Mooevo, and we want to improve the life of persons and the transportation of goods by creating disruptive e-mobility solutions and making a better world.
Over the past years, the huge increase of population in the cities and the rising demand of transportation of persons and goods have created big social changes that bring new problems or increase old ones. Regarding the mobility of loads, the exponential increase of deliveries in the cities due to the e-commerce boom and to the increasing mobility restrictions, traffic is collapsing. Additionally, there's a global need to reduce emissions. So, the current last mile delivery system is not sustainable and must change without delay. On the other side, reduced mobility persons have big limitations on their daily life, especially those who are not able to move by themselves and have a big dependence on their helpers and family. Moreover, caregivers suffer by pushing a heavy wheelchair on long distances, causing them injuries and health issues, limiting the time and distance of their activities, and there are not real solutions to help them both.
But we know how to make it. We found a solution by trying to improve the mobility of our partner Jose and his son Joselete, a child with permanent reduced mobility. And we got it.
We never thought before of how difficult transportation of reduced mobility persons could be until we saw our friend pushing a wheelchair every day for his son Jose, who suffers a permanent disability. We developed a solution for him, and that is how Mooevo was created. The solution changed the life of the whole family. What used to be a painful task turned into a pleasant and funny activity for all of them. We patented the solution and started to develop very different products for urban mobility and last mile delivery. Mooevo's exclusive solution has been patented in the biggest markets worldwide. Developed with our experienced engineering team, Mooevo's system can be adapted to almost all wheelchairs in the market, with a plug-and-play system that connects the electric platform with the chair. It can transport around 200 kilograms for long distances, up to 20 kilometers, even uphill in a very safe and easy way. We have a complete range of products facing the problems we exposed before. Our solution is based on a patented system. It's quite unique because it transfers both the reduced mobility person or load and the caregiver or operator, improving their mobility. Mooevo allows the caregiver and operator to push without any effort in a safe way for long distances. The main uses we have identified for Mooevo are last mile delivery, reduced mobility persons, logistics and distribution, cleaning and disinfection. As you can see, Jose could go outside for long walks without effort from his parents and siblings. They could walk around Madrid as a family all together in an easy, healthy, comfortable way with a lot of fun. That's what we call Mooevo Smiles, because of the feeling of freedom and happiness that Mooevo created for them. Solutions for company have been tested in real-life situations with very positive results in efficiency increase and effort decrease, as in the biggest COVID-19 hospital in Europe, IFEMA Madrid. The problem is much bigger if you have hundreds of patients like in the large modern hospitals, residences and similar, which usually have long internal distances to walk. Mooevo helped the sanitary staff to save miles and efforts by transporting them, as well as patients and medicines in those very long distances. We are very proud to have helped them. We made the first minimal viable product in the last mile delivery sector, with different solutions depending on the industry and load capacity. We have developed different solutions with real customers and now are ready to start sales. Our products are very different from existing solutions with important advantages. Our system is protected by a robust patent. E-commerce is booming, urban restrictions and emission sensitivity are increasing, and the demand for a disruptive solution is exploding. So now, it is the time for a company like us. We are developing innovative ideas for future products. Two very different markets, both big and growing. Global wheelchair market around $4 billion per year only for manual chairs. Furthermore, Mooevo's potential market is bigger as we can access not only the wheelchairs sold per year, but to the existing wheelchair base. The last mile market is growing at a double digit every year, with a special growth in deliveries. Our solution revolutionizes some activities of delivery, eliminating vans in large cities. In the urban mobility side, there are thousands of competitors and many more to come in the following years, with many companies developing new vehicles like cargo bags, e-scooters, robots, and others. We have clear advantages as the retractable system that allows the entrance to pedestrian zones and the capacity of charge related to the vehicle size that is superior to the competitors and allows an easy storage and parking. In the healthcare space, there are solutions, but we maintain clear differences and some advantages. First, we do not consider electric wheelchairs as competence, as the customer for that chair has the capability to manage it. Other existing solutions have big difference. They don't transfer the person that pushes the chair, and also they're not easy to install and the price is higher. Our intention is to develop an IP business model. Now, we are designing and developing our solutions to demonstrate they have a place in the market and that they are useful. We are now working with Correos, a leading Spanish company for letter and parcel delivery, with foundations focused on reduced mobility persons and large and small companies in the last mile service sector. In parallel, we're talking with key players in the industrial car sector, interested in collaborating with us manufacturing our solutions. If we demonstrate the usefulness of our solutions in Spain and Europe, they will be useful in many more countries, and it will be easier for us to find partners to manufacture and sell our products. In the long term, we would like to explore the licensing of our patents. Mooevo is managed by a group of top professionals with long experience in e-mobility, technology, and patents, plus international business and distribution. We have the perfect balance between startup and corporate experience. All the team is fully involved in the project. We're also incorporating young talent to our project to build a more diverse team.
Even more, we have the strong commitment to make it successful in the global market, offering Mooevo benefits to all the people worldwide and making their life easier and better. So, we will never surrender until we get it. Let's move the world together.